Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can disable your Roblox UI navigation problem. So if you're facing the problem and somehow you went to the navigation tool and now you don't know how to get back into the game. In that case, what you need to do is you need to find your UI navigation key. Now my UI navigation key might be different than yours. So in that case, what you need to do is first press escape. It's the key which is going to be at the top left corner of your keyboard. Once you press escape, you need to go on this option called help. And under help, it's going to show you this option called UI navigation selection tool. So for me, it's backslash, but for you guys, it might be different. So come over here and see which key you have. Once you see the key, what you can do is just go back. Once you go back, now we can just press the same key which was displayed to you. Once you press on it, basically your UI navigation problem should be fixed. Now it should be disabled and enabled. If you press the key, it should be enabled. If you press the key again, it should be disabled. But yeah, that is how you guys can fix this UI navigation tool problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.